Hey guys, to share a link on Temu, you can either share a specific product or, your own profile or invitation link to new users. To share a product, just find it. Right? Let's say I'm gonna click this product. Yeah, right here at the top right. And what you're gonna do, you can copy the link or share it directly across social media. Okay. To share a referral or invitation link, you can go back and click you on the main page, right, or your avatar icon at the top right, and I'm gonna go back, go ahead to the settings, okay, and then what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and hit share this app, right? You can share it directly or via social media, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.